Hello traders, this is the new video by Flash Trade 1. On the screen you can see that I'm on the account 420448 SuperForex-Real account, and I'm updating this account since November 2019. 13 months already completed, and this is the 14th month running on this account. And in this video I'm going to show you that how this is the last update on 29th December, where total profit on the account was 43,288. As of now, the profit on the account increased to 43,788, so almost $400 profit has been made on the account. This is our Flash Trade 1 main channel, where we are posting the investor details of this account. In the description of this video too, I will put the details of the investor account. Now we are going to see that what were the entries made on the account, what profit we booked on the account, everything over here. So you can see that on 31st of December 2020, when market was going to close, we took the entry at price 1.366, 1.368. Two entries were taken at this price. Now you can check that at 31st December near 12 GMT, our support and demand indicator, this is the H1 time frame. In H1 time frame, it generated a sell signal at price 1.366 to 368. So this higher movement was captured. This movement was captured when GBPUSD traded high to 1.370. We took the entry as per our support demand indicator at 366 and another entry at 368. One was taken with 2 lots, another was taken with 1.5 lot. Here the account is micro, so 10 micro lots is equal to 1 standard lot. So you can see that this trading lot size is 0.2 and this trading lot size is 0.15. Now you can see that both of the entries were taken at this price and they were booked at price 1.358, 1.358 at 4th December 2021, 4th of January 2021, when our support demand indicator again generated a buy signal. So this is how we traded on this account, and we captured the movement of $400. Also here we booked 2 lots. We total opened 4 lots, 2 lots at 1.366, 2 lots at 1.368, where here at 1.368 we just booked 1.5 lot, where 0.5 lot is still open. You can see the price at 1.368 and $42 profit is going on. We have revised our SL to 1.368, so we have minimized our loss to 0. Also we'll keep this position holding. If GBP goes up, then we will be out with 0 profit, 0 loss, but if it goes down, then we will close this position in higher profit. So this is how we are trading on this account. If you also want to trade your account in the same way, then you need to talk to our executive and join our mirror trading service. We'll meet in the new video. Hope this video was useful to you. Goodbye, take care, and have a happy trading.